Attention, isn't it?
Does give us a good chance to hopefully retaining it title.
Well, since the New Zealanders took over, Wales have improved beyond all measure. Their autumn victory over Australia proves that the rest of the Six Nations should be aware they won't give up their title lightly. Now on to the four-man bobsleigh in Whistler, Canada, which reached its climax with the four-man event. Janice Minnins and Latvia won were victorious in the four-man event in Whistler. Minnins and his team finished 600ths of a second ahead of Stephen Holcomb, and United States of America won in second. World Cup leader Alexander Zubkov and Russia won, were looking for their third win of the season, but they had to settle for third. Now, staying on the ice in the NHL, Nicholas Lidstrom played his part as the Detroit Red Wings crushed the Edmonton Oilers 8-3 at home. Central Division leading Wings struck 3 times in the first.